We begin with breaking news. Early this morning, lawyers for Stormy Daniels, the adult film star who alleges she had a sexual encounter with President Trump, filed a motion asking for the right to depose the president and his lawyer, Michael Cohen. The motion for expedited discovery also asks for a jury trial. Now, only 4 sitting presidents have been deposed. The last one was Bill Clinton, who was later impeached for lying under oath. We are joined now by CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman to break it all down for us. Thank you so much for joining us, Ricky. So we know Stormy Daniels' team, they are asking for a jury trial, expedited discovery. They want to depose the president. What are they trying to do?
What they're trying to do here is to show that this is a matter in the public interest. And in this rather stellar, I have to say.
You read it.
It's actually brilliant, and I don't use that word lightly, because what it is doing is saying, look, we originally filed for declaratory relief to say that this non-disclosure agreement is null and void. Originally, we thought the filing was about the fact that Donald Trump had not signed it. Now we find the filing is much broader. And what it is saying is that not only did he not sign it, and therefore cannot be bound by it, and she cannot be bound by it, because you need the intent of both parties to sign. But he's saying, look, this entire agreement is against public policy. Why? Because it's there to hide a Federal Election Commission violation, and perhaps more important for Stormy Daniels' attorney, it is there to be hush money to affect the election in 2016. Therefore, it violates public policy, according to this filing, and it needs to be handled in the public, the courthouse, not the arbitration closed room, and it needs to be handled fast.
Fast, and that's what they say. Expedited discovery, expedited jury trial. How fast could that mean?
Well, it's a lot faster than I would ever anticipate it could happen. What they're asking for is that they want these depositions. They're limited in time. Remember that. That's also smart. You tell a judge, look, I'm not going to be abusive here. 2 hours for the president, 2 hours for Michael Cohen, and ultimately only 10 requests for documents. So see, I'm not being burdensome. I'm not trying to hurt the office of the president. They're looking for a decision to go forward immediately following the decision on the original motion. That is, judge, decide that we are going to have a null and void contract. Therefore, we don't go to arbitration, and then we want a jury trial within 90 days.
So the White House has denied all these charges. The president has not spoken specifically or tweeted specifically about Stormy Daniels, but the White House has said, look, none of this ever happened.
Through their spokesperson at a press briefing.
Right. Stormy Daniels, her people are saying the reason that we are filing this is because there are a lot of unanswered questions. Is that a compelling reason? Will that move the judge?
I don't know the answer to that. There is a litany, an entire page of questions that they have asked the president to answer. And of course, the ultimate question goes back. We have to remember the jury trial is originally claimed in this new filing against Michael Cohen for defamation. That's a jury trial request. The judge, I say, has to decide whether or not the non-disclosure agreement is valid, because if he thinks it's valid, it might go down to arbitration. But in terms of the jury trial, so why isn't it only Michael Cohen who needs to be deposed? Well, they say whatever Michael Cohen said about whether or not this matter may be truthful, which is what the cause of defamation is about, where would he have gotten his information? He would have gotten his information, if it's truthful or not, from the president. So then, did the president know that there was going to be this hush agreement, as it's been called, or the non-disclosure agreement? When did he know it? The old Watergate questions. What did you know and when did you know it? Then we have, did he know where the money came from? Did he have anything to do with ordering the hush agreement, ordering the money? So it's backtracking all the way as to how this came about. Remember, this is 11 days, this signature, before the 2016 election.
Right, and timing is very, very key here. Ricky Kleeman, thank you very much.
Thanks, Anne Marie.